With Domo, you can easily resize and rearrange cards on your pages. In your position, you may be interested in specific metrics more than others. Resizing and rearranging cards allows you to bring your immediate attention to a particular card that you're interested in. In this example, I'm the director of marketing. There's a new company-wide initiative to increase our return on investment by source. On this page, I would be most interested in the ROI by source card, so I'm going to move this to the beginning of the card sequence by clicking on it and dragging it to the left-hand side of my page. I can then click on the wrench icon for card options and scroll to the bottom, where I can pick a large size for this card. If I want to reduce the size of a card, I can once again go to the wrench icon option menu and go to the bottom and select the medium size. Domo allows you to rearrange and resize cards so your important goals stay at the top of your mind.